What's going on, everyone? Jeremy here from the Quartering, and I received a gigantic box from Blizzard. Well, Activision Blizzard. And there is simply no way what inside of this box could be good. I mean, if you just take a brief highlight of some of the criticisms I've had of Blizzard alone over the past 6 months, their handling of the Blitzchung situation, their bending the knee to Chinese censors, their absurd double standards, their fake virtue signaling, all of these things and all of these reasons, they know. I talked about employee mistreatment. I've exposed certain things that they didn't want out there. There's simply no way they sent me anything good. In fact, when I last talked with all of you about my relationship with Blizzard, I had terminated it. I had said, you know what, the Blitzchung thing, that was enough, I'm uninstalling. Well, 6 months later, I still really missed World of Warcraft Classic. And admittedly, I have started playing it again.
It's not true. That's impossible.
A little bit. You know what? The stupid membership auto-renewed. And rather than dealing with a refund, I thought, you know what? Why punish myself? I get an hour or two of free time every night, maybe. And I just want to do a little questing. So I admit, my friends, I have played some World of Warcraft Classic.
No!
If you play, you can find me on there. Currently in Darkshire, I believe. Finishing up Darkshire. Heading off to the wetlands, I believe. So early on. I don't play very often. In fact, I went almost 6 months without playing. But then this box came. And I assure you, it is large.
That's what she said.
Michael, please. Please.
Mwah!
Okay, it's very big. Inside this box are two very large boxes. And they're very heavy. Why is this one open on the bottom? Here's one. Well, let's just deal with one right now. Now, there's no way Blizzard sent me any promotional items. What is this? A World of Warcraft 15-year anniversary that can't focus. Cover. That's it. That's all that was in that box. What the heck? This one's definitely heavier. Oh. Okay. Well, I know what this is. Like a year ago, I donated to a charity. By the way, I'm supposed to have 2 of these. And they sent original server blades from Vanilla as a way to donate to charity. But the problem is, let me see if I can put these on properly. I think that's right. So this is it. This is a 15-year anniversary WoW World of Warcraft server blade. And these are the stands for it, I guess. Let's take this off. Now, I ordered 2 of these. It's been like over a year. I'm almost certain it's been more than a year. And I want to give one of them away. Because for all of the things that Blizzard does that is annoying and bad, I still really enjoy World of Warcraft. And not everybody that works at Blizzard is trash. My concern is that I paid for 2 of these and only one has arrived. So that is an issue because they were like, I mean, it was a charitable donation, sure, but it was also like, was it $600 each? It was either $300 each or $600. And it's just, I mean, it's not like it can do anything with it other than display it. But if you, let's say we put it there you go. Not too bad. Now, if you remember, okay, so that is correct. So what had happened was they sent the thing to me, 2 of them. I'm trying to find I have to look for the price on these because they owe me 2. They came broken. That was September 2019. It is now a full year later, practically, and it's finally arrived. And what happened was both of them arrived busted. There were pieces of the server blade broken. There were the plastic case was broken. Everything was broken and busted on it. It must have been a gigantic disaster for Blizzard. Something they're probably used to. But it looks like they have at least sent 1 replacement, which is being glared at out in the world. But, you know, I have complicated feelings with Blizzard. Obviously, I hate many of the decisions they make at a corporate level. But, you know, I've always been a loner in real life. And I played World of Warcraft Classic as a loner. And just last night, I joined a guild for like the first time. And it's been super helpful. And then all of a sudden, I realized that, hey, you know what? If I ask people to help me, I'll actually be able to do some of these elite quests. So then I did some elite quests last night. And then, for the very first time ever in history, I know many of you will laugh, I did Dead Mines. I did the dungeon. And I was like, oh, I'm at level 30, so I was probably a little over level. But all of a sudden, I got rings and trinkets and stuff like that. Actual improvements to my gear. And I'm starting to have a lot of fun. And it's a part of my whole, hey, work-life balance. You know, let's just try and enjoy things a little bit more. Yeah, boycotting things is good, but, you know, pick your spots. And purists could say that I'm wimping out, and I would argue that I probably am. But I bought this for charity, and in my defense, I think this was before the Blitzchung stuff. And I've always loved World of Warcraft, and I'm really, really, really starting to get into it again, at least in Classic anyway. So I thought it'd be a fun little something video for you. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll talk to you again real soon.